That's what I'm telling you, girl. It is so nice being in Jamaica. You have no idea. Hold on. Hello.
You need to come home now. It's getting late.
Mom. No, I'm not ready.
You need to get ready and
I said I'm
come.
not ready to come home.
It's late.
Still having fun?
Listen, you need to come
You cannot
home.
tell me nothing. I'm 14 years old.
So? You're still young. You're a little girl.
Listen, I said I'm not coming. Don't bother my phone again. I will come when I'm ready. I'll reach home when I'm ready.
Don't you dare talk to me like that.
Get off my phone, woman.
Listen, you need to come home now, young lady.
I'm not coming. Bye.
You just spoke to your mother like that?
Yes. I just spoke to my mom. She'd be calling, saying I should come home now. I'm not ready. Girl, do you know what I would get if I ever speak to my mother like that? I live in the mother country. She cannot touch me like that. Plus, I'm 14 years old. I'm a grown woman now. She cannot tell me what to do. I could go home whenever I want. I could go on the road whenever I want. Did I tell you I'm 14?
Girl, mother country or no mother country, hospital would definitely pick me up. You are 14 and I am 17. And I can never talk to my mother like that. You want her to kill me? I cannot do nothing. Mother country? Mother country or no mother country. Could be father country, picnic country. My mother would tear my skin if I do something like that. If I ever talk to her like that.
You don't have to go home, you know. You could tell your mom the same thing. Just tell her you need to stand up to your mother. Stand up to her and tell her that you're not coming. Do that.
I don't have to go home. Stand up to my mother. Stand up, go here. Fall with feed I had, don't hard for catch. At one point, I have to go home. And if I ever talk to my mother like that, girl, I don't know where I would be. I definitely could not go to that house. She would kill me. You're crazy. I was born in Jamaica. You weren't born in Jamaica. You were born in some other country. I was born in Jamaica, brought up in Jamaica. We cannot do that. If that was the case, most of us, there won't be any kids here. We would die. Our parents will kill us. We cannot talk to them like that. We have to have respect. You're crazy? I couldn't do it like you, girl. Hold on. Phone is ringing. Yes, mommy?
You need to come home now. It's getting late.
Yes, mommy. I'm coming home now.
Alright.
Alright. I have to go, so I'll see you tomorrow or so.